Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and add the Facebook Messenger chat into your Shopify. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, let's go ahead and open up the official website of Shopify right here, and you have to make sure that you have the right account logged in. Inside, you want to go ahead and search for Facebook Messenger, and you want to go ahead and click on the search Facebook Messenger in Shopify App Store. Inside, it will take you to the App Store of the Shopify right here, and you want to go ahead and look for the Omega Facebook Messenger chat. This is free, so you could go ahead and get it. So just go ahead and click on it, click on install, and it will go ahead and redirect you back to the Shopify application. After that, it will go ahead and tell you that the application needs to access your personal data and edit the stored data. Once you're fine with that, you could just go ahead and proceed by clicking on install. And after installing the application, you will be able to select on which template do you want to start with. You have your general template right here. You have your support template, sale, booking, consultation, feedback, and probably more. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and select the general template, go ahead and click on continue with this template, and then you need to go ahead and log in with your Facebook. This will go ahead and ensure that once a customer chats through your Shopify, you will be able to receive that message through your account. Once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on complete right here. And after that, the last thing to do now is to go ahead and embed the app on your Shopify theme. So just go ahead and click on the online store, customize it through the web page, and you will be able to integrate or embed the application through your Shopify theme. So guys, in that way, you will be able to add Facebook Messenger chat onto your Shopify. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.